Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Red Dead Redemption Online. First, launch Red Dead Redemption 2 and choose the online option from the main menu. You'll then create your unique character, customizing their look and starting skills. After that, complete the initial missions to grasp the fundamental gameplay and narrative. This will set you up for all the adventures ahead in the vast open world. Earning money and gold is crucial for your progress in Red Dead Online. You can complete a variety of missions, bounties, and free roam events to gain both cash and gold. Hunting animals and selling their pelts and meat to butchers is another reliable way to earn quick money. Don't forget to participate in daily challenges. They offer valuable gold nuggets and experience points to help you advance. Red Dead Online offers several exciting frontier pursuit roles to deepen your experience. You can choose to become a bounty hunter, a trader, or a collector, each providing distinct missions, rewards, and progression. Beyond roles, engage in thrilling competitive showdowns against other players or team up with friends for cooperative story missions. There's always something new to discover and master in the frontier. As you progress, you'll want to customize your character and camp. Use your hard-earned cash and gold to purchase new outfits, powerful weapons, and essential horse equipment. You can also upgrade your abilities and unlock new skills by gaining experience points. Don't forget to personalize your camp and consider acquiring a personal moonshine shack, which can provide a steady stream of extra income.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.